Hello, my little kids. Hope you all are taking very good care of yourself. I know you all are having lot of fun with your family as everybody is at home. So, kids, earlier we have discussed about our five senses, and these are see, hear, smell, taste and feel. And we have also done some practical activities related to the organs like see, hear, taste and feel. And today I'm going to teach you about the sense of smell. Yes, about the sense of smell. So kids, do you know how do we smell something? Yes, we smell something with our nose. So let's sing a song. You will also repeat after me. I use my nose to smell. I use my nose to smell. Everybody use their nose to smell. I use my nose to smell. I use my nose to smell. Everybody use their nose to smell. You liked it? So, we use our nose to smell something. So, I can smell the lovely flowers. I can smell the perfume. I can also smell the bubbly soap. Even I can smell the stinky socks. Ooh, it smells so bad. So kids, do you know how do our nose recognize that which smell is so good and which smell is not so good? Do you know that? Okay, I'll explain you. There are some small particles which are moving in the air. When you smell something, when you smell some things, the small particles get into our nose, and when they goes inside, they just tickle our nerves present in our nose. Then the nerves give a message to our brilliant brain, and our brilliant brain can remember and memorize. Then only we can identify the which smells are so good and which smells are not so good. Kids, do you know our nose also helps in breathing? Yes, the air that you inhale, our nose also filters that. Our nose filters the air that we inhale. So kids, now let's perform a small activity about smell some things. Okay, now again I will call Pratyush to do this small activity. Come Pratyush. Hello Pratyush.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, Pratyush, first I'll explain you. You have to smell all these things and then you will tell me that which smell is so good and which smell is not so good. And then I have this paper. Here are some faces, like these are the smiley faces and here are the sad faces. If you feel so good, you will color the smiley face. And if you don't feel the smell so good, so you will color the sad face. Okay, you got it now? Okay, so let's start the activity. So smell this. What is this?
This smell is very good.
This smell is so good. So take this. Which face you will color?
This.
Okay, color it. The smell of the soap is good.
Yes. One little wait.
Okay, now leave it here. Then smell this. The smell of this roll-on is
Strong.
the smell is so
Strong.
okay. So you like the smell.
No.
So which face you will color?
Bad face.
Okay, color the sad face because he is not liking the smell of this roll-on. So take it sad. Okay, now smell this.
This smell is so strong.
Oh, so you're not liking this smell also.
Yes. No.
You don't like it?
No.
Okay, so color the sad face. Is also not liking it because the smell of coffee is so strong. Now smell this.
This smell is so good.
Oh, you like this smell?
Yes.
This smell is so to take the
Good.
color. Good. So you will color the
Good. Happy face.
here. Color here. So he's liking the smell of this strawberry syrup is so good. He's also liking this smell. And the last we are having is, so smell it now.
This smell is chocolate.
Chocolatey. Okay, so you like this smell?
Yes.
Okay, so color the happy face if you like this smell. The smell of this chocolate syrup is also so good. He's liking it. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Pratyush. I hope you like this activity.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay. So our smell chart will come up like this. He liked 1, 2, 3. 3 smells are good out of these 5 items and 2 smells are not so good. So kids, I hope you all like this activity. You can repeat this at home. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. Stay safe and stay healthy. We'll meet again with one more interesting activity. Till then, bye-bye.